The moment Daniel opened the door, he felt the world freeze. There, standing on his porch in the heavy rain, was Lily, his ex-wife's sister. The last person he ever expected to see again. Her eyes were red, her hands trembling, and she clutched a leather bag to her chest like it was the only thing holding her together. "Daniel, we need to talk. It's about Emma." His heart stopped. Emma, his ex-wife. The woman who walked out on him and their son 6 years ago without a note, without a goodbye, without a trace. Memories, heartbreak, the weight of abandonment, everything came crashing back at once. But then Lily whispered words that cut deeper than any wound. "She's gone. A life built from pieces." Before he could react, Lily collapsed into his arms, crying. Daniel didn't know whether to comfort her or collapse himself, but he let her in. The thunder outside echoed the storm inside the house. From the hallway, little footsteps approached. "Dad, who's that?" Oliver, 6 years old. Small, kind, with the most forgiving heart Daniel had ever known, almost too forgiving. Daniel swallowed hard. "Just someone Daddy used to know. Go to your room for a moment, buddy." Oliver nodded and walked away, but Daniel could feel his curiosity lingering. Lily sat at the dining table, wiping her tears. "I'm so sorry to show up like this. But you needed to know. Emma got in an accident last night." Daniel didn't respond. He didn't even know how to feel. Anger. Relief. Grief. Or nothing at all. "She left something," Lily continued shakily. "Actually, someone." She reached for her bag. Daniel's breath locked in his chest as she slowly pulled out a sleeping baby girl, barely 1 year old. "This is Mia," Lily whispered. "She's Emma's daughter. Anne, she asked me to bring her to you. You're the only family she has left." The past returns, in the form of a child. Daniel staggered back. "No. I can't. I already raised my son alone. I can't take in her child aft." When Daniel opened the door that cold evening, he expected to see the pizza delivery guy, not the ghost of his past. There stood Lily, his ex-wife's sister, soaked from the rain, shivering, and clutching a small baby wrapped in a blanket. Her breath trembled as she spoke. "Daniel, please don't shut the door. It's about Emma." His heart dropped immediately. Emma, the woman who walked out on him and their son 5 years ago without saying goodbye. No explanations. No apology. Just gone. Daniel felt the old resentment rise through his chest like fire. He didn't ever want to hear her name again. But then Lily said the words he never expected. "She's gone, she passed away last night." Silence flooded the doorway. The rain, the world, everything seemed to pause. Daniel didn't know how to react. Anger. Numbness. Relief. Grief. Then Lily gently shifted the blanket in her arms. She left behind her daughter. "Her name is Mia. She wanted you to have her. A child from the past." Daniel stepped back, shaking his head. "No. No, Lily. I already raised my son alone. After everything she did, she doesn't get to come back into our lives like this." Lily didn't argue. She just broke. "She hurt us all, Daniel. Me too. But she spent her last days talking about you and Oliver. She said she ran from the guilt and didn't know how to make things right. You were the only person she ever truly loved. I'm not here to erase what she did. I'm here because Mia has no one." That's when he saw the baby's eyes for the first time, big, quiet, searching softly for warmth and safety. Behind him, small footsteps approached. "Dad. What's going on?" Oliver, now 7, curious and innocent, stepped closer. His eyes widened at the sight of the baby. "Dad, who is she?" Daniel felt his throat tighten. "Just someone who needs a place to stay for a little while." Oliver didn't hesitate. He walked over to Lily and touched the baby's tiny hand. The baby wrapped her fingers around his.